If your clothes could talk, how many of them would be screaming, "Help me"? They deserve better, way better, like ZIPS better. Here are 3 items of clothing that will look way better after a spa day at ZIPS. I'm Kathleen, the Clean Queen, here with some quick tips from ZIPS. Number 1, khakis. Do you want to be known as the employee who walks into meetings looking like they just lost a wrestling match with their laundry basket? With ZIPS, your khakis are smooth, sharp, and ready to circle back and take things offline like a true professional. Number 2, laundered shirts. You can't control your calendar, your inbox, or Karen from accounting, but you can control your collar. Bring your shirts to ZIPS and walk in like it's your meeting. Number 3, coats. Dive bar floors, dog hair, torrential downpours. Your coat's been through more than the crumbled mint in the front pocket. With professional cleaning from ZIPS, it's back to looking sleek, fresh, and serving main character energy. Click like and subscribe to get more tips from ZIPS, and to look your best for less, get to ZIPS quick.